Welcome to the first session of Cross Cultural Leadership. We will discuss some of the basic concepts of cross cultural leadership. First, we will understand what is culture. Culture is a patterned way of thinking, feeling, and reacting acquired and transmitted mainly by symbols constituting the distinctive achievements of human groups, including their embodiments of articrafts. According to Smith and Peterson, it is a system of shared meanings placed upon events. According to Hofstede, the collective programming of the mind that distinguish the members of one group from another. Culture is a term that refers to a large and diverse set of mostly intangible aspects of social life. According to sociologists, culture consists of the values, beliefs, systems of languages, communication, and the practice that people share in common and that can be used to define them as collectively. Culture also includes the material objects that are common to that group or society. It is a shared psychological properties are assumptions, beliefs, values, interpretation of events, social identities, and motives. Other aspects of culture includes culture is also what we do and how we behave and perform. It informs and is encapsulated in how we walk, sit, carry our bodies and interact with others and how we behave depending on the place, time and the audience and how we express identities of race, class, gender and sexuality among others. Culture also includes the collective practices we participate in, such as religious ceremonies, the celebration of secular holidays, and attending sporting events. Culture refers to the cumulative deposit of knowledge, experience, beliefs, values, attitudes, meanings, hierarchies, religion, notions of time, roles, spatial relations, concepts of the universe, and material objects and possessions acquired by a group of people in the course of generations through individual and group striving. Culture is the systems of knowledge shared by a relatively large group of people. Culture is communication, communication is culture. Culture, in its broadest sense, is cultivated behavior that is the totality of persons' learned, accumulated experience which is socially transmitted or more beliefly behavior through social learning. A culture is a way of life of a group of people, the behaviors, beliefs, values, and symbols that they accept generally without thinking about them, and that they are passed along the communication and imitation from one generation to next. Features of culture. Culture is learned. Culture is not inherited biologically, but it is learned socially by a man in the society. It is not an inborn tendency, but acquired by man from the association of others. Culture is social. It is not an individual phenomena, but is the product of the society. It develops in the society through social interaction. Culture is shared. Culture is something shared. It is nothing that an individual can possess, but shared by a common people of territory. Culture is transmitted. Culture is capable of transmitted from one generation to the next. Parents cultural traits to their children and in return they pass to their children and so on. Culture is continuous. Culture is a continuous process. It is like a stream which is flowing from one generation to another. Culture is linked with the society. Culture and the society are one and the same. It would not be wrong if we say these are both twin sisters. Society is a composite of people and they interact with each other through it. It is to bind the people within the society. Culture is accumulative. Culture is not a matter of 1 month or a year. It is the continuous process and adding new cultural traits. Culture is integrated. All the cultural aspects are interconnected with each other. The development of a culture is the integration of various parts. Culture is changing. It remains changing but not static. Culture varies from society to society. Every society has its own culture and the ways of behaving. It is not uniform everywhere but occurs differently in various societies. Culture is responsive. Culture is responsive to the changing conditions of a physical world. It intervenes in the natural environment and helps the man from all dangers and natural calamities. Culture is gratifying. It is gratifying and provide all the opportunities for needs and desires satisfaction. Importance of culture. Culture is very important because of the globalization, increased interconnection between the people, need for leaders to become competent in cross cultural awareness and practice, diversity in the country, operationalization of cultural construct. Next, the need for more research aspects includes that there is no consistency agreed upon the leadership definition because of the cultural differences. Every culture defines the leadership in its own context. There is no clear understanding of the boundaries of the construct spaces, which will be discussed later in the next videos. Parameters of culture. Culture represents some form and degree of collective agreement. Culture refers to sharing of important interpretations of entities, activities, and events. Cultural norms and cultural forces are manifested linguistically, behaviorally, and symbolically in the form of artifacts. Common member experiences are inherent in the notion of culture. Cultural variables take on the force of social influence largely because members of collectivities identify with an agreed upon specific set of values and common social identities. Other parameters includes common experiences and agreed upon norms have powerful socialization. Cultural interpretations, symbols, artifacts, and effects are transmitted across generations. The social influence of cultural forces is assumed to provide a set of compelling behavior, affective, and attitudinal orientation for members of cultures. Members of specific cultures are presumed to abide by a set of norms that reflect the above mentioned commonalities.